Welcome to Chapter 1, Introduction to Instagram Marketing. Instagram has evolved from a simple photo-sharing app into a robust marketing platform, offering businesses an unparalleled opportunity to connect with a global, highly engaged audience. With over 1 billion active users, Instagram provides a visually compelling environment where brands can establish meaningful connections with their target audience. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or marketing professional, mastering Instagram marketing can significantly impact your business's growth and visibility. This chapter outlines why Instagram is an essential element of your marketing strategy, the opportunities it provides, and the steps to lay a solid foundation for success. Instagram's vast audience of over 1 billion monthly active users spans virtually every industry and demographic. This means your target market is almost certainly present on the platform, making it a critical channel for reaching potential customers. Compared to other social platforms, Instagram boasts superior engagement rates. Users are more inclined to interact with content via likes, comments, shares, and direct messages, making it ideal for nurturing relationships and driving conversions. Instagram thrives on visuals, giving brands the chance to communicate through striking images, videos, stories, and reels. These formats enable businesses to showcase products, share their brand story, and build emotional connections with their audience. The platform's versatility shines with a variety of content options. Static posts and carousels are perfect for detailed product showcases or storytelling. Stories are ideal for behind-the-scenes content and time-sensitive updates. Reels are excellent for short, engaging videos that capture trends. IGTV and Live are great for long-form content and real-time engagement. Experimenting with these formats allows businesses to discover what resonates most with their audience. Instagram's advertising platform empowers businesses to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This precision ensures your ads are reaching the right people, optimizing your return on investment. As a hub for influencers across diverse niches, Instagram provides unparalleled opportunities for partnership. Collaborating with influencers can amplify brand reach, enhance credibility, and connect with new audiences, making it a powerful strategy for driving sales and boosting brand awareness. Defining your objectives is crucial for developing a focused and effective Instagram strategy. Here are some common marketing goals. 1. Brand awareness. Increase your visibility and expand your reach. 2. Audience engagement. Foster a loyal community through meaningful interactions. 3. Lead generation. Use Instagram to capture leads and grow your email list. 4. Sales and conversions. Drive traffic to your website or e-commerce store to boost revenue. And 5. Customer retention. Strengthen relationships with existing customers and encourage repeat business. Each goal demands a tailored approach. For instance, driving brand awareness may involve visually compelling content and strategic hashtag use, while sales-driven strategies may rely on targeted ads and influencer collaborations. Consistency is the backbone of Instagram's success. It helps you establish a reliable presence, maintain engagement, and reinforce your brand identity. Content scheduling. Use a content calendar to post regularly and at optimal times for your audience. Visual identity. Develop a cohesive look by sticking to a consistent color palette, typography, and visual style. A strong and unified aesthetic enhances brand recall and trust. Starting with a well-optimized business profile is critical. This involves switching to a business account, crafting a compelling bio with relevant keywords, adding a clear call to action, CTA, and contact information. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to set up your Instagram business profile for maximum impact. From crafting attention-grabbing bios to understanding analytics, you'll gain the tools needed to kickstart your journey. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness Instagram's capabilities, from creating high-quality content to leveraging targeted ads and partnerships. Instagram isn't just a social media platform, it's a strategic tool to drive tangible business results. Let's embark on this journey and transform your Instagram marketing efforts into measurable success.